Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for coming by. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, I have yet another one for you today. I can't wait to share my items with all of you, but first I do want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please give this video a great big thumbs up, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads. So I'm gonna start out with what I found was most exciting was the fact that for $1 I was able to pick up a cat calendar for 2019. It has all of these adorable cats. So if you're a cat lover, this is a good steal at Staples. They could be like $15 for a calendar. As far as summer decor goes, I found this beautiful wall art sign. This says, "I dream of summer that lasts forever." It has that faux wood painted look. I just thought it was super adorable, perfect for right now, and I can't wait to display this for my summer theme. Now, because of course we know the Dollar Tree has summer and fall all at the same time, Christmas is probably coming soon, God help us. But I picked up a couple of more fall decorations. I love owls, and they had this adorable little guy with the dangling little legs, and I thought this was super cute, holding the little pumpkin, so I picked one of these up. They also had these little bags of acorn decorations, so I went ahead and picked one of these up. I thought it was really cute to do some decorating with for fall, and these won't be there come that time of the year, so I picked up one of these packages. The other thing that I've been looking for were these really cute pineapple, and they had another one that was pink. Maybe it was a unicorn stand. I did take pictures. These are the cell phone stands, and this is very adorable. And you could use it for even whatever you want. You could throw your loose change in here at the end of the day and keep it on your nightstand. But I thought it was just cute. I've been looking around for them, so I picked this pineapple up. So cute. It has the little sunglasses and the little pineapple leaves at the top. So I had to get one of these since I finally found it by me. But I don't know if your store's like mine. They had these guys on the very bottom shelf by the register. But I'm always picking through, looking by the register, because sometimes they do that at the Dollar Tree. I have no idea why. They have the whole store to display their new things, and these guys were hidden where nobody could find them. Talking about the register, they also had these new makeup pouches that has that mermaid look when you brush it this way. They had this in this color, a white color, and maybe a pink and a brown. I did take some pictures for you guys, and I just thought this was super adorable. For $1, it has a lot of space inside of it, a lot of space, and I couldn't pass it up. I really couldn't. For $1, you always need an extra bag to throw your makeup in, so this was great. In the photo aisle, they had these very pretty sticker mirrored sayings. They had love, believe, family, and friends. I picked up this love one. I thought it was really cute. I'm thinking of using it to decorate for Valentine's Day, some sort of adorable little project, so that's why I picked up the love. And I also picked up the love in the wood signs that they also have. And because I love butterflies, this was perfect. So I'll probably use these things come Valentine's time to decorate. They also had some new stencils, which I love. Picked up this Live for Today, Dream for Tomorrow. I thought this stencil was adorable, and I'll use it for something. They had some feathers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. My boyfriend has a DIY he wanted to use some red feathers for. So I went ahead and picked this up, and I'm gonna try and think of something to do with the other girly colored ones in here. That will be fun, and hopefully I could get that uploaded to show you guys. Gotta get some ideas in my head so that I could figure out what to do with these feathers. Now, I was just browsing through the food aisle really fast, and I came across these papaya and pineapple snacks. I love these dried fruits. I never got these from the Dollar Tree. They might always be there. I'm not even sure. I don't do a lot of food shopping there. But I do love dried papayas and pineapples, and in the supermarket you can pay $6 to get one of those containers. So I think this is equivalent for $2, and I will be snacking on these when this video is done. Now, I usually don't pick up candy, but my little guy is in Puerto Rico on vacation with Grandma and Grandpa, and I really miss him, and his birthday is next week. So I picked up some candy to put in a little care package, along with some other fun goodies. Of course, I picked up a birthday card. This one's specialized for a 6-year-old, so I was kind of happy about that, since that might be the only thing that he could read off this card is that number 6. I also picked up this little towel. It's like a washcloth and it expands in water. You probably have seen them. They have them all the time. He loves to wash these in the bathtub. It's fun for him. And then they work great as a little washcloth as well. So I picked up one of these in the car theme. And he absolutely loves cars and trucks and playing with all those goodies. So I saw these new ones at the register that were Army. So I picked this up. Yeah, this is just the Greenbrier brand, and I know that he will have a lot of fun zooming this all around. Kids, they always love stickers, so I found these Avengers stickers, and I also found the superheroes little play pack. It has crayons and stickers and a mini coloring book. So I thought these would be great to also stick in the little package. And then I got these ninja crawlers. He will definitely have fun with these. It says they climb walls, they crawl, flip down walls. So hopefully it works and he'll have fun. He loves to use his imagination when playing, so I know that these little ninjas will be fun for him. So that kind of sums up my Dollar Tree haul, but I did have 2 cute little things I wanted to share that I found at Walmart. I stopped by Walmart randomly to pick up some regular things. And I walked by the clearance aisle just to check it out, and I couldn't believe what I found. I found this. It was on clearance for $6. I couldn't believe it. It's a caddy holding 4 little mason jars, and they even have little tags they came with. And I thought this was a perfect little caddy. I don't think I'll keep the jars in here. I'll probably use them for something else. But for $6, you get 4 jars and a caddy. So if you guys are looking for mason jars or this setup, you gotta stop by Walmart because this was $6. And last but not least, I did pick up a little rug from Walmart. This is my favorite. I love owls. I just think they are so cute. And I purchased this for $5. I thought you can't beat that. I'm gonna put this by my back door, and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed seeing my little finds this week that I shopped for, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out for YouTube to recognize me. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and I hope that you guys like being here and watching my uploads. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.